How you doing? David Quicksilver here, and in this video I'm going to teach you a little trick about the old original PlayStation 1 or the PSX. Okay, this is for a simple fix that the laser tray heated up due to its positioning on the in the console, and the tray or the guide would warp from the heat. So this is a quick fix, and basically first thing I'll show you is this PlayStation. It's not working, it's not loading the game, and then I'll cut to another segment where I actually take care of the fix. Okay, so you just saw that the console is not working. It's not loading and it's not recognizing the game. I don't think the laser is moving at all. And all you're going to do is take it and flip it over 180 degrees. Just put it right on its lid. And 9 times out of 10, the game will start loading. And your old PlayStation that you have packed away somewhere, not working anymore, and you don't want to get rid of it for some reason, bring it out, get some of your old games out, flip it over, go for it. There's also another thing: if the flipping over 180 degrees does not work, just throw it on either one of its sides. Stand it on end. Just stand it up like that, and if that doesn't work, try the other side. Okay? One of those 3 fixes. If it's your laser tray that is warped and not reading disk, then that will be definitely a quick solve for you. And you can start enjoying your PlayStation again. Thanks.